To make a friendship bracelet, first cut several strands of different colored embroidery threads that are each about 24 inches or 61 centimeters long. Choose as many strands of thread as you like, as long as you're using 3 or more, and cut 2 strands of each color you're using. Then combine the threads and tie a knot 3 inches or 8 centimeters from the end. Tape the slack to a flat surface and separate the threads into 2 sets with the colors mirroring each other. Now take the 2 outermost colors on the left side and make a forward knot. Make a second forward knot using the same colors. Next, swap the second color with the third color and tie 2 more forward knots. Repeat until you've tied knots with all the colors on the left side and the outermost color is in the middle. Then take the 2 outermost colors on the right side and tie 2 backwards knots with them. Do the same thing you did on the left side, except with backward knots, working your way toward the middle with the outermost color. Once you reach the middle, start again on the left side, this time with a new outermost color. Continue tying knots until your bracelet is about 3 inches or 8 centimeters long. Then tie a knot using all the threads and braid the slack. Finally, tie the ends of the bracelet together around your friend's wrist.